Hi friends, here I am showing how to fix universal board in Panasonic THL32C22D model. This is our TV. First we can come to SMBS unit. This is 12 volt and 5 volt SMBS, 12 volt and 5 volt output SMBS I fix here, and from 12 volt connection I give to another regulator board. This is for actually in that SMBS gives nearly 15 volts, so we need to give sharp 12 volt to motherboard. So this regulator we are using, this regulator, show you this regulator. This also the output comes to motherboard. This is our motherboard, universal board, and from this motherboard this LVDS cable comes to tcon board. This is Panasonic tcon board available in electronic market. This directly goes to panel. This tcon board works in sharp 12 volt. If you give more than 12 volt, the regulators may damage, so I am using that 12 volt regulator here also. And this is the tcon board for Panasonic TVs. And the next section is this is relay, 5 volt relay I used here. From this SMBS I gave 5 volt, and this enable backlight enable signal is coming from motherboard to this relay, and this relay switches this choke. This TV is using an ordinary tube as a backlight source, so we can use ordinary tube light choke for backlight. You don't need to convert that tube to any LED. It will reduce the clarity of picture, so we can use this choke, and using simple circuit you can switch this choke through this relay. And next I will show you how is the video output.